Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you how you can set this time in your instrument cluster of Tata Nexon. So here you can see that the time showing over here is incorrect. So you can see the current time over here on our Android. So now it is 1:08 PM. But here in our instrument cluster it is showing this 12:18 AM. So how you can set this time in your Tata Nexon instrument cluster, I will show you in this video. So to set this time, here one knob is there, button. So you need to press this. So once you press, the hour will start blinking. So when it is blinking, that means you can set the time. So when I press this once, the hour unit is blinking. So to change it, I need to press this and it has been turned into 1. So now I am done setting the hour. So then to set the minutes, I will need to press this again. So when it starts blinking, I need to just keep on holding this. So when I hold this, it will move to the next minute. So here I will keep it same. So again I'll need to press it like this, hold and press. So again to change the 9 which is present in the minute section, I will need to again press it and it will move to 9. So here I will set it as 0. I will set this as 0, and then to set the AM I'll need to just hold this button and then just press it once to set it as PM. So now I am done setting the time in my Tata Nexon instrument cluster. So now you can see the time is exactly correct. So this is how you can easily set the time in your Tata Nexon instrument cluster. So that's it for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.